What's up guys, this is Aadit from Tech is Easy, and today I'm going to show you how to remove background noise from your audio. And to do this, we're going to be using Audacity. So this is a free software for Mac, Windows and Linux, and I've put the link in the description and you can just download it from there. So once you've reached Audacity, you have two options over here. You can either record audio by clicking on the record button over here, or else you can just import the audio by clicking on File, Import, and after that from your files you can select it. So over here I've imported audio which has a lot of background noise. So whilst recording it, I kept the fan on, the windows open, and I'll just play this now. What's up guys, this is Audit from Tech is Easy, and this is just a sample recording to see if there's background noise. So now if you want to remove this, the process is extremely simple. First, what you've got to do is just select a section which has the background noise. So as you can see the patch in between this section, I'm not speaking, but there's a lot of background noise. So I've selected it, and if I'll just play it, then you can hear the background noise. So after you've selected it, you'll have to click on Effect, that's written on the top over here. After that, click on Noise Reduction, and then just click on Noise Profile. So this is the first step where they've asked you to select a few seconds of only noise so that Audacity will know what to filter out. So now I'll click on Get Noise Profile. After that, you'll have to select the part of the audio from which you want to remove the noise. So if it's the entire audio, you can just select that. So as you can see, I've selected it. After that, I'll go to Effect again, that's written on the top. Then I'll scroll down and go to Noise Reduction. And now in step 2, you'll have to select the audio from which you want to filter the noise. And then they've given 3 controls so that you can decide how you'll want to remove it. So noise reduction is basically how much of the noise you want to remove in decibels. So if I take this to the right to let's say 40, then the problem with this is that it'll remove a lot of the noise, but in that process, it could affect the audio and the way you're talking. So that's why you'll just have to find the amount which suits your audio. So let's say I put it on 20, and then if I want to try it out, I can just click on Preview. What's up guys, this is Aadit from Tech is Easy, and this is just a sample recording to see if there's... And if you noticed, all of the background noise has gone in that. After that, the next option is sensitivity. So this basically decides the amount of audio that will be considered as noise. So again, if I take it to the highest value, which is 24, then more noise will be removed, but this will happen at the expense of your audio. So for all of this, you'll have to experiment, try different values, then preview it and just see what suits your audio. And then frequency smoothing basically will control the spread of the noise reduction. But personally, I don't make too many changes with this. And now I click on OK. And now I'll just play this once. What's up guys, this is Aadit from Tech is Easy, and this is just a sample recording to see if there's background noise. And now as you can see, it's all gone. And then to save it, just click on File, then click on Export, and then you can select the format. So if it's MP3, just click on that, and then it's done. So this video helped you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see my previous video on how to add subtitles automatically, you can just click on this button over here. Goodbye.